Hi, Becky Buttons here, and in this video I am going to attempt to make buttons out of Pokemon cards. In the United States, you are legally allowed to resell an object that you own. You are also legally allowed to modify and resell an object that you own. You are not legally allowed to copy copyrighted images. A copyright is simply the right to copy. If you own this product that has something printed on it, you own the product and you can resell it. You cannot, however, scan this, make a copy, and sell that. That is against copyright law. That is a violation. But you could, however, cut this up and make it into buttons and sell them, and that's perfectly legal. But button machines hate cardstock. Unless they are a photo machine or a machine that's specifically made to handle very thick paper, you are probably going to have a bad time. It's not just the thickness of the paper that matters, it's also the bendability, because remember, the card has to go underneath the shell and crimp into the back. So I'm going to give this a shot and we'll see how well this kind of card works in a Tecre machine from ButtonMakers.net. Here we go. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna see if I can even get this into the graphic punch. Okay, it slides in just fine. I'm sorry, I'm not getting a good angle here, but you can fit it in between the cutting plates, so that's a good sign. Then it's just a matter of centering this and seeing if I can, oh yeah, that popped out pretty easily. All right, so this is a full-size graphic for a 1 1/4 inch button, and that is the size that my customer wants to make, and they do not make photo machines in a 1 1/4 inch size. This is Pokemon card, we'll call this full diameter. Okay, so this one failed. This one failed, and the fail is right here. The mylar did not make it all the way under the button in this one little spot. So that's, oh, you know what? This one has it too. These are both fails. So far, 2 buttons, 100% failure rate. I'll try it again. Okay, third attempt with Pokemon cards cut to 1.629 inches in diameter for a 1 1/4 inch button. Shell graphic. Mylar. And pin back. Oh, that did not feel good. Okay. Nope, this one failed also. So 3 out of 3 fails. All right, so next up I have the adjustable cutter. And the thing about this adjustable cutter is that it has preset stops for 1.313 inches. It does not have a preset stop for slightly smaller than 1.313 inches. So you have to fudge it a little bit. So what I did was I made a circle that's 1 1/4 inches. You can see it's a little off, but so now I'm gonna try to cut the Pokemon card with the adjustable cutter and no template. This is gonna be fun. Ooh. Okay, getting this centered is really hard. I would recommend cutting a template and not trying to eyeball it like your crazy button lady is doing. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Ah. All right. Okay, so here's my exact, well, it's a little smaller than 1.25 inch diameter circle. Let's check it out. All right, so here we go. We got shell graphic. Okay, so now it's still too small, but it fits down in there a little bit easier. and is a bit easier to center because it's down inside the center hole a little bit more. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying, but hopefully you can see it and have it make sense. Oh yeah, perfecto. So you can see when you cut the circles a little small, you've got, you can see metal around the perimeter, but that was a lot smoother and better. All right, so the final verdict on making Pokemon buttons from actual licensed Pokemon cards is yes, but you'll have a higher success rate by cutting your circles to be the exact diameter of the button that you're making. Thanks so much for watching.